All right, guys, here we are on the second week of Bib Stick for Amari, following the Bib Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. Let's get started with this first exercise. Amari, go ahead and put that stick up on your shoulders. We are gonna just do some Bib Stick squats, okay? So, 90 seconds, you know how to do a squat. You're gonna look forward straight at that camera. You got that bib stick up on your shoulders, keeping that posture and that form nice and tight. And we're gonna go down and we're gonna try to sit down in a 90-degree angle as if we were going to sit on a chair and come up nice and slow. Let's go ahead and get started for you. I'm gonna get this, it's ready when you are, Amari. There you go, just like that. Slow and controlled, just like that. And with your eyes, you wanna look forward, and as you go down, you wanna look up. That's gonna help to keep your posture just like that. And when you come up, you're gonna push with your heels. Try to kick your right heel out a little bit, there you go. Because you wanna start with the foundation, just like when you're building a house. The house is only as strong as the foundation. So we need to build a good foundation for Amari here, and it's gonna start with his feet. And whenever you're doing squats, you're always pushing up and exhaling on the way up and pushing with your heels. So it's an inhale down, exhale up. And we wanna try to get down to a 90-degree angle. Now I know this is tough for Amari. He's got a lot of weight on his shoulders, and I'm not talking about that bib stick. We got just about 28 more seconds to go. So how has the bib stick been affecting you lately?
It's helped me with my back.
Yeah?
Stiffness, sleeping a little better.
Very nice to hear it. This is just week number 1. And look at that. You wonder when it's gonna end, and that time is up. So let's start with the next one. You're just gonna look forward, and I want you to just kick your right leg up, catch your breath,
bib stick on my
keep
shoulders.
the bib stick on the shoulders, and then kick that left leg up. So exhale, catch your stance, just like that. The time is going. I'm gonna be over here, and I'm gonna do these with you over here on the sidelines, because I love exercising myself. And we exhale on the way up. And this is gonna help you to control your balance, your core, you're working your abs, your obliques, his flexibility. Each time he gets that leg up there, he's loosening up his glutes, he's loosening up his lower back, stretching out his hamstrings, his calves, and crunching, breaking all this up. We're trying to break all this area up because this food that we're putting in his body is just gonna push out all that waste. How are those feeling?
Good.
And the seconds are almost up. It goes by so fast. So fast. There we go. Let's get the next one started. I want you to back up a little bit. You're gonna take that bib stick and you're gonna put it behind your back. Actually, you're gonna put it on your side, just like this. Okay, we're not gonna start that clock yet. And we're gonna twist it over the belly, just like that. And then as you get to the other hand, we're gonna keep our feet like so. Here, go step over there for a minute and just watch me right here. Stay in frame. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna let it twist us back. And then it's gonna, we're using the gravity and the momentum of the stick.
Gotcha.
I want you to see how it comes around.
Yep.
And I'm gonna look at you. And you can see how it rolls
sorry.
around. Hey, careful. You see how that works?
Yep.
Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. All right, let's get you right in front of this camera and let's get that 90 seconds going and begin. Keep the stick against the body the whole time. Roll it across the belly. There you go. And let it go under the arm and let that gravity pull you back. The farther you can twist, the better it is for you. Put a little bit of bend in your knee. There you go. That's going to help to keep your lower half of your body a little bit more forward. I got to stay out of frame here so I don't get a bib stick in the face. But we'll come back right here. Excellent job. Keep it rolling right across your body. Don't take the stick off your body. Yeah, keep it touching here the whole time. Roll it around. And you can see how when it comes across to your back, you can feel how that stretches you a little bit farther, right?
Oh, yeah.
You feeling that?
Absolutely.
And the time just dwindles, guys. He's only got a few more seconds left just for this one simple exercise. And why am I showing you this? Because I want to show you guys the step-by-step journey on how Amari is getting this incredible transformation and how easy it is, all here with the Bib Lifestyle. And that's our timer. Let's get that bib stick back up on the shoulders, into the squat. We're going to repeat this. Kick the heels out a little bit. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And you can, when you go down, you want to look up because that's going to help to keep your back. You don't want to be leaning forward when we go down, which is a bit difficult because, you know, he's got this extra weight on him. But look at the frame. He's doing such a great job. Amari, I want you to do me a favor and just turn to the side and give a few of these from the side so we can see what it looks like. So you can go back and watch this and you can see your progress each and every week. And you can show your wife and your kids and your family. They're going to say, what did you do? What did you do? And he's going to be like, just go to the YouTube channel. You're going to be able to see everything I did right there.
Make sure you hit that like button.
Make sure you hit that like button. Share it with your friends and family. Follow my channel because each and every month we're bringing on new contestants. All right, let's go ahead and face that camera again. Finish it out strong. And eventually we're going to be speeding things up, but you can see he's already moving faster. It's just been 1 week. Whew. All right, let's get those high kicks. Bib stick is up on the shoulder. Let's bring it over this way just a little bit. Right there. And kick them legs up. I can already see changes. I can hear the changes just in his breathing. Let me get that 90 seconds going or he's going to be mad at me. Are you feeling a difference already?
Yeah, I am. Like you said, energy levels up, sleeping a little better, back's kind of stiff, you know?
Your mobility though, like this. You know, this is breaking you up. It's gonna, oh man, I'm so excited for you. So
the steps a little easier at work.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Not as mad. We'll have to go downstairs and get some mustard sauce for the horseradish.
Yeah.
You know?
Fantastic. And this is what it takes, guys. He is determined to make it happen. And you're going to see his leg is going to get higher and higher each and every week because the belly's going to get smaller and smaller. We're getting there, Mari. You are doing a fantastic job.
Got to bring my towel next time.
We got one more round after this. No, we still have this other one, and then we got one more round, I believe, right?
Yep.
This is the end of number 2 right here, the next exercise. That's right, make it count, till you hear that buzzer. Let's go ahead and hit that next exercise. Let's back up just a step right there. Make sure you got enough room with the bib stick behind you. And we keep it, yep, just like that. And we keep it rotating across the chest. Boom. Just like that. And you just don't let that stick go. And get that stretch. And you could pick up your pace as quick as you can do it. Because the more reps that we get, the better it is for us. In 15 minutes, I'd wonder how many reps I could actually do with a lot of these exercises. At least a couple hundred. You know, and most people, when they go to the gym, they want to lift heavy, lift it 4 or 5 times, or do an exercise 10 times, but 3 sets, so 30. So you might get 100 reps when people go spend an hour and a half at the gym, when you can do the bib stick for 15 minutes and get hundreds of repetitions for all types of incredible different exercises for your body. The time is counting down. Are you in your head like, oh, when is this gonna end?
No, actually, I want to try to do the form right. That's what I'm thinking about.
A little bit of bend in the knee, and we let that stick just pull the back, yep, each time, and it's pulling the arm as well. So that way you're getting the lower abs, you get the front, the back. He's getting workout in the arms, the shoulders. All right, back up to the squats.
My favorite.
Oh, I know he's gonna feel the burn from this. Are you working this evening?
No,
Let's
sir.
bring this stick over just a little bit over the shoulder. There we go. And begin whenever you're ready. When's the last time you worked this hard with exercise, Amari? Pre-wedding, right?
Pre-wedding, yeah.
Pre-wedding. But he's getting it back, and this is going to be the beginning of a never-ending story, because he's going to have such a great transformation that he's going to follow through, and he's going to come back in another, after these 8 weeks, he's going to come back in another 8 weeks, and he's going to be like, Jamie, I just need to show you how dedicated I've been, the transformation that I'm continuing to get. I want to thank you again for teaching me the bib lifestyle. It's been life-changing. And it can be for you too, each and every one of you guys. You just have to want it, because I'm showing you how to do it. All you got to do is watch the show, each and every episode. You can see every contestant is saying the same things, getting great results. You see how much easier he's moving? Oh, it's great, Amari. It's fantastic. Look at that. 90 more seconds. Let's get that leg up and start kicking that leg. There you go. We got some background noise. Again, we're out here on Hollywood Boulevard. We've got helicopters overhead. We got leaf blowers to the left of us, to the right of us. The noise never stops on the boulevard. And I've been wanting somebody that would be this dedicated to committing 7 days a week on the bib stick. 7 days a week on the bib lifestyle for the full 8 weeks, and Amari has been the first one up to the challenge. Everybody else feels like they gotta cheat, or they're missing out on certain things, or they don't have the time. But this man is making the time because he wants it. He needed it. He came to me at a worse point, and he said, Jamie, I can't even work. My high blood pressure is through the roof. I need to make some changes today. And here we are, weeks later, making those changes because he wants life. He wants his health. He wants to be a role model for his kids, for his friends and family. That's it, one more to go, Amari. Let's get this last one. You know how to do it. You don't want to stop. Let's get this last exercise.
Sorry.
That's all right. He's losing himself in the moment. That's great. One more exercise. Keep a little bit of bend in that knee. Let that stick roll across the chest, the stomach, around the back, under the elbow to where it pulls that arm. Gives you that little bit more stretch in the obliques. Are you feeling what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I am definitely feeling it.
1 minute left.
Oh,
That's
sorry.
all right. You just keep moving. Keep moving. I'm like a piece of steel. It just hits it and it doesn't hurt. "40 more seconds, and this time is up." You're doing a great job, Amari. And that's it. That is it. 15 minutes. Great job.
Thank you.
You had such more range of motion in all of your exercises today.
Good.
You had more energy, more enthusiasm.
Good.
He is determined to get something out of this. Bring it in there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Appreciate
For
it.
all of you guys out there, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family. Follow my channel. Each and every week I post 2 new episodes. Check out www.biblife.com. I've got products for sale. I've got books for sale. You can start learning and living the Bib lifestyle today. For all of you out there, be your best body.